Hi everyone! In today's easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an Instagram account. Welcome to the channel. Let's dive into it. So on your Instagram app, select create a new account. And here you can either sign up with your email or your phone number. So I'm going to use my email. So I'm going to select that option. And here you need to write down your email address. And after you finish, simply tap on next. And here you need to write down your confirmation code. So go to your email inbox and write down your confirmation code here. Then simply tap on next. Here you need to write down your full name. So I'm going to name after our channel. And then simply tap on next. And here you need to create a password. So after you finish, simply tap on next. Here select save and let's select our birthday. To do that, simply tap on this box and select your birthday from here. So after you finish, simply tap on next. So here you will see your username, and in most of the cases your username has been taken by someone else, but if you are seeing this green checkbox, you are good to go. But if it's not, you need to add some underscores or some numbers after or before your username to move on to the next step. So let's tap on next, and here let's tap on I agree. And here you will see some of the famous Instagram accounts. You can follow them by tapping on that blue box, but this part is optional, so you can just skip it by simply tapping on that arrow icon on the top right corner. And here's our Instagram account. And that's basically how to create an Instagram account. So if you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe buttons to help others to find this video as well. Thank you for watching.